Right, well, this is a really fun part of the day because this is your first one. This is house number 1.
Yes.
It's called the Ashmont. It's from Coral Homes. It's 5 bedrooms, which I think is a good sweet spot for you.
What I'm after. I'm excited.
Let's go and have a look.
Let's
Follow
go.
me. So come on in.
I love the high ceilings. I love how open it feels. You know, the kitchen, the living, and the dining, it all flows. I love it.
Yeah, it's a really nice house design. I mean, really, in terms of the size of the block, it's not a massive block. So they've gone up to give you that sense of space.
Grand,
down here. But I like the layout.
That splashback, that's, you know, just a piece of glass. It brings in the light. You've got the doors, the sliding doors. There's glass pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, it's nice. And in terms of things like oversized island bench, I mean, I don't know much about you.
Great for prep. No, I do love to entertain.
Yes.
We do have family come over all the time, so this is essential. And even how it opens up to the alfresco there is perfect.
What's your interior design style? Are you more of a blingy kind of girl? Or?
No, I do love simple, but I love it. I love things to stand out as well. So I do love nice features that will give it that wow factor.
As you come in the front door, immediately you're presented with this room.
Yeah.
Interesting, isn't it? It's like the old school days of having a good room.
A separate living room to the actually main one. You know what? This could be a great kids' room.
Or home office. This is a really interesting design layout. What can you see?
This is beautiful. It's a guest bedroom, which is great for older visiting relatives. It's got its own ensuite and its own alfresco.
Yeah.
How good is that?
Ground floor in that main entrance hall too.
So this is the laundry, where I'll be spending most of my time.
So here we are. Welcome to upstairs.
They've got a third living space.
Yeah.
All right, I've changed my mind. This can be the kids section.
Yeah.
You know, keep all the mess here. That way, downstairs stays clean. Okay, so the main bedroom.
Yeah.
Wow, I love how big this ensuite is.
It's huge, isn't it?
I do love the size of the main bedroom. This is a winner.
This is the hero.
Yeah.
So spare room, family bathroom. So this is one of your spare rooms.
This is actually a great size for a spare bedroom.
Yeah, like a walk-in robe as well.
Who doesn't love a walk-in robe?
But I mean, you know, the desk. How old are your kids?
So I've got, my eldest is 12, and then I've got a 10-year-old and a 9-year-old. So this would actually be way suitable for my eldest. Oh! Oh, look at this, 2 separate spaces.
So you can access this alfresco from like that downstairs suite, from your dining room, of course, from the kitchen as well.
This is awesome.
I mean, you can always work with Coral Homes to build different size versions of this house. You want something to be a little bit bigger, for example. But they've extended this living room out, I think, to take a bit of alfresco, which I think you need down here.
I do need. I want to be able to dance while I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Wow, okay, this is the revelation.
To walk around freely, you know, move and not feel that you're tripping over an open drawer or an open dishwasher. So space is important.
It is such a nice house. I love this design. It is the Ashmont from Coral Homes, and it's just a really super functional double-storey family home. This is the 5-bedroom version, and of course, you can move the floor plan around, you can change interior design. There are facade options as well. So the best thing to do to get a bit of a picture for how it could look if you built it is to jump onto their website. It's all at coralhomes.com.au.